Good evening, everybody. Welcome to S3 Model Works. I'm Scott, and you're looking at my first outing with a Takom kit finished earlier this year. It's a Krupp Morser 21 centimeter from Takom in 1/35th scale, done in colors of an unknown unit, unknown year, World War I. It's a World War I artillery piece. And I was so enchanted with this build that I decided I would like to try another build series, and I'd like to try to do it right for you guys. So join me while I build their KZKT 537L and MAZ 537 dual Russian Army tractors set. Looks like one's set up as a heavy-duty, heavy tonnage motor carrier type, and the other one's set up as a heavy transport equipment hauler. So join me back on my bench in just a few minutes. I'll get the cameras swung around and we'll start. Good to have you guys here. Thanks. Okay, boys and girls, all ready for primer. So we'll start priming in the next speed build series. catch you guys soon. I'm Scott, S3 Model Works. Christmas Eve night, so Merry Christmas to everybody. Tomorrow, enjoy your holidays, be well, be safe, be good. If you can't be good at it. Good night for now.